Kwantaekansi Machinery Trading Co., Limited, specializes in the export of biomass pellet machinery. This is the latest heavy-duty retarder pellet machine. The integral reducer runs stably. The roller adopts rotary type to improve operation efficiency and produce fuel particles stably. It can be used with a heavy-duty gear reducer. Biomass pellet machine can process straw, bagasse, rice husk, waste paper, wood block, coconut shell, peanut shell, industrial waste, and other raw materials into pellets. If you have any questions, you can contact us.